welcome. I'm Allie, and today we're writing tests using TTD with Mocha and the Node library. So, like I said, we're doing test-driven development using the Mocha framework and the Node.js library. Okay, so with TTD1, you have to you use the red-green refractor cycle. So first we want to get into the red by failing, then write barely passing code to get into the green, and then refactor our code to optimize it and make it cleaner. So as you can see, I have my node modules in here, and then I also have my Mocha in here for my test. So when you're writing tests, you use the scribe and it, where So you use describe and it blocks. The describe block basically describes what function we are testing, and the it block basically describes how the function should be executing. So in the index.js, I have a calculate function, and then I'm exporting it. And then in the index underscore test is where you see my test. I've imported the, requiring the Assert library, so I could use Assert in my tests. And I'm also requiring the calculate function from the index.js file. So as you can see, I put some notes, basically the red-green refractor cycle. We're going to write code that fails, write code that passes, and then refactor the code, like I said, to keep it clean and make it more expressive, so like it actually makes sense. So we get to the red by setting up a function we know is going to fail. And as you can see, my function failed here. So now it's time for us to actually fill in the function so it doesn't fail. I'm so sorry if you hear background noise. I'm in a public place doing this voiceover. and as you can see, it now passes, but it's not a real test yet. It's just passing just enough. Now we have to refactor it and make it an actual test. So we're going to refactor it by organizing the test into phases: the setup phase, the exercise phase, and the verify phase, where the setup phase creates objects and variables and sets the conditions. The exercise phase executes the functionality we're testing, and the verify phase checks our expectations, to our actual results. In my verify phase, I use assert.equals from the assert library to compare my results to what I expected. Here you see I copy and pasted the original setup for the it block, but this is to test like other conditions to make sure I'm not just passing because everything is so perfect in its original condition. So I'm running the test again, and it should fail. So as you can see, I have one passing and one failing test. And the failing test is my second condition. So now I know I need to go refactor the code to be, let's say, less strict. So that it applies to other conditions as well. So now I'm just going to write in some logic. So I run the test again. And now I'm passing for my original condition plus any other conditions. But this is a factorial, and we have to account for factorial of 0, which is an edge case in this particular circumstance. And there's the code for my edge case, which throws an error for 0 factorial. And this is my final calculate function. And my test pass. And thank you for watching.